Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coke Tech. Hello friends, I am here with you with a new content, how to check PC health and performance. In today's video, I will show you how you can check your PC performance like your CPU speed, your RAM speed, your internet speed, your GPU speed, everything which are going on a laptop or your personal computer. For this, simply right click on taskbar, going into task manager. A page will open like this. You can check all the background applications which are going on your PC like apps, background processes. On the top you can check CPU, your memory percentage, your disk usage, your network and GPU performance. In these tabs on the top you can check out your performance, your app history, your startup, users, details and services, all the background services which are going on a laptop. Coming into the performance tab, the first one you can check here is your CPU. In this bar graph and the download percentage which is showing, it shows how your CPU is performing, how much percentage and how much speed processor is running on a laptop. Second, if you coming into the memory, you can check what amount of memory are present in your laptop and how much memory is being used at present. Through bar graph you can check how you and what percentage of memory is being covered by your laptop application which are going at the background. Third one is disk performance, how much storage has been covered in your laptop and how your hard disk speed is going on and what is data transfer rate. Fourth one is Wi-Fi. Here you can see my laptop is connected to external Wi-Fi. It shows the speed in a spike and the signal strength also. Fifth and sixth one is GPU 0 and GPU 1. GPU 0 is related to the internal graphics as GPU is graphical processing unit and GPU 1 is the external graphics which I have on my PC, it is NVIDIA graphics card. After that, if you come at downward, if you open resource monitor, clicking on resource monitor, you can check multiple details on graphs which are showing on the screen. In this resource monitor tab, you can check your laptop's overview, CPU, memory, disk and network on your laptop in details. By this process you can find out whether your CPU, your disk or your network having any problem. If you find something unrealistic or if in your network some extra data is going on, you can check from here. In CPU you can check in details which process or which background apps is taking lots amount of space and you can delete unnecessary applications. Coming into memory tab, you can check all sorts of application and activities which are going behind your RAM. After that, if you click on disk or network, while coming into network you can check all and each and every activity, what amount of kbps or mbps has been used by your Wi-Fi or signal. You can look throughout each and every tab in details and the background processes which is going on a laptop. Here you can browse and check all the different settings by changing your tab style. After clicking on the top of menu, you can check all the other available options. By clicking on restore default settings, you can bring back your tabs to default. By expanding or minimizing your tab, you can change the view. On right hand side you can check all the applications which is running on the laptop. By checking this process I can find my overall laptop is working fine. Thank you. and do subscribe my channel Cook Tech.